finish off a piece of crochet without your work coming unravelled. This can be called binding off, casting off, or fastening off. We complete our final stitch. Then we cut off the yarn, leaving a tail of about 6 inches. We then pull that remaining yarn through the loop and pull it tight. Our work is fastened. Let's see that once more. Cut the yarn, pull the remaining yarn through the loop and pull it tight. We thread the end of our yarn onto a yarn needle and we weave the loose end into our work. If you don't have a yarn needle, you can weave the ends in with the crochet hook. Cut off any excess yarn and your work is complete.